Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Typo3 LTS 9. The first thing we do is we go to the official page of Typo3, click here, and we choose the version. So as we see, LTS 9 requires PHP 7.2. Okay, we get this one, and I'm gonna get a zip version of this. We wait for a bit until it gets downloaded. Okay, I'm gonna extract it into my XAMPP direction, which is this XAMPP3. I have PHP 7.2 in here, htdocs, and let's just create a new folder called sheriffs. This is going to be the project name. Okay, select folder, extract in there. Okay, I think it's done now. I'm just gonna open the project. Oh, okay, it has a subfolder. I'm just gonna cut this one, paste it right here. I'm gonna remove this one. So now let's just go to localhost. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just start the Apache and MySQL server. Yeah, do that. Okay. Okay, installing Typo3. Now, as in the other versions, we need this first install text file. Okay, refresh. Okay, now we have some problems here. We don't have to worry about this one because we don't need OpenSSL in our local machine. So let's just try to fix these ones. Okay. The first one is the include path for PHP pair. Okay, we do that by going here, php.ini, and I'm gonna copy this one, find. Okay, we see it's commented, so it doesn't see that. Okay, uncomment this, save. I'm gonna use Control S for savings. Okay, this one I guess is gonna be fixed. Find. Okay, we can find this one. I don't know why. Probably in some other configuration file. Let's just see what we can find here. Why not? Oh, okay. I'll check the other one too. It suggests we have 1500. Okay, I'll just do that. Control S. I'm gonna give it another shot to this one. No, up, yes, nice. 30. I'm gonna leave 240. Save. We did this one. Not loaded. Let's just check this one. Okay, it's not loaded because it's commented. Save this one. Okay, now let me take this out. Let's just restart Apache. Refresh. Okay, now we have it just two. We don't have to worry that much about those two, so we just continue as if we know what we're doing. Okay, let's just give it a username of our PHP myadmin, our databases. I'm just gonna leave it root with no password because I'm gonna be working on local machine. And let's create a database. I'm gonna name it after my project name, sheriffs. Continue. Okay, this is the username and password, which gives our gives us the ability to go in the backend and edit our stuff. Okay, let's just say site name sheriffs again. I just like my brand name. Continue. Okay, now take me straight to the backend. Now, if we try to log in with this one, oh, actually it works. It doesn't have security level RSA. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.